Hello everyone, welcome to online computer classes. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's start.
Class 7th. So today we will revise the most interesting topic, artificial intelligence. So let's start. First thing, what is artificial intelligence? You know who is the father of artificial intelligence? I mean, who coined the word first time? John McCarthy. So many times I have told you this. But one thing I want to tell you, कि in the research paper of Turing, he got the concept first. Okay, and then at the Dartmouth conference, he coined this word. Mr. John McCarthy coined this word, artificial intelligence. Now, what is artificial intelligence? Define. How can you define in the most simplest way this term? A way of making a computer, a robot, or a software think or act like a human being. Actually, the whole concept revolves around the creating a replica of human brain. The attempt was to create the way human think, the way human behave. Automation and self-driving cars, these are some examples. Fine. Where do people see AI in their daily lives? With this, I want to explain you how AI has become the integral part of your life. Directly or indirectly, you are using AI. The first one is video games, everyone's favorite and everyone play. I think I need not give any introduction of this to you, and you all better know about this, how video game has become your part and parcel of your life. How you being a human able to relate yourself in that virtual game. You feel everything is real. How this realistic effect of a virtual game come? This is because of AI based technology is being used. Next one is virtual assistant. Some examples are Siri, Alexa, Cortana. How these are using, like one of the example you have seen in Google, hello Google you used to say, so it reply. Okay, so this is what virtual assistants. CRM like chatbots, they are what 24 into 7 hour available, and this type of things are used by e-commerce, right? Netflix and YouTube, for entertainment purpose also AI is playing a important role. Automobile industries are also using AI, for example making driverless vehicles and automatization of the traffic. Okay, apart from these, so many examples are also there. In education also AI has very vital role that we have explained you earlier also, how AI is influencing education in our daily life. And the best example you can see nowadays, virtually we are able to connect you. There's a virtual platform, right? So that all these things are possible because of AI. Now, let us quickly discuss the advantages of AI. Reduction in human error. If we are using AI based technology, chances of human error reduces and it even minimizes. Takes risk instead of humans. Earlier, humans' life were risk, and sending in space. Suppose I take the example of space, you don't know the atmosphere and environment over there, and sending a human being is quite risky and life threatening. So instead of that, you can send the robot which has AI based technology, and it can collect the data from there simply without any risk. Moreover, AI can work 24 into 7 without any break. Only you need to charge AI based machines or anything. Helpful in repetitive and tedious job. Some repetitive job and tedious job of human can be replaced by AI based machines technology. One thing I want to tell you, they can be replaced. I am not saying the AI is going to take the jobs away from the humans. That is quite not possible. And we have discussed several times ki this is one of the scary myth that we humans are having in our mind, that one day AI will take our job. No, it is not at all possible. As you know, every coin has two sides. Advantage that we have discussed. Now the disadvantages. High cost of creation. Yeah. So creating such a machine which is full-fledged, self-sufficient, the cost of creation will be high. And not only this, its maintenance cost is also high. The second point is increased unemployment. This I will discuss. Just wait. Third one is lacking creativity. AI lack creativity. Being human, you can think in a different way. If I give you a problem, you can have the variety of solutions. But AI does not have. Whatever coding, whatever way it is programmed, it will limit its creativity till that only. Okay. Rather, I say it's not creative at all. It only work on predefined programs. Lacking improvement. Being human, you can improve time to time, but do you think AI will improve? No. The way, the way and the day it was created, it will work till the end. No human replication. There is no human replica of AI. Any AI technology, you cannot create a human that can match the speed or programming capacity of that AI based machine by a human. Okay. Now the second point I told you I will discuss, increase unemployment. In the advantages I am saying it is not going to take the job, and the second in disadvantages I am saying it's increase unemployment. Is the two statement is contradictory? Not at all. The job platform is going to change. Just take an example of a banking system. In that, earlier there were manual person who dispatch the cash. Okay. Now so many ATMs are there. So the demand of human for dispatching of cash in the bank has been reduced. So this way unemployment will, but for maintenance of ATM machines, creation of ATM machines and doing other things, we need the human. So the platform has been changed, scenario has been changed, right? Have you got my point? Okay, I hope you understand all this thing. Revise thoroughly all these topics. Thank you and have a nice day.